Dia Gwit. In December I was pleased to be in a position to announce the details of €10 million in additional funding to enhance the experiences of people using mental health services and supports. As part of this fund, €1 million was allocated to NGO partner My Mind to provide up to 16,500 free talking therapy sessions to individuals impacted by the pandemic in over 15 different languages. These sessions are now available. I would like to thank My Mind for once again supporting the Department of Health in this free counselling project. The delivery of these counselling sessions is a continuation of an initiative commenced in 2020. These talking therapy sessions are for people particularly impacted during this time, whether through personal experience of COVID-19 or bereavement, isolation, depression, anxiety, working on the front line, or through the economic effects of the pandemic. All talking therapy appointments delivered through this project are provided by My Mind and are being carried out online via video call or phone call. A dedicated web page entitled COVID-19 Project Free Online Counselling is live on My Mind's website. We speak a lot about the importance of early intervention, and this is why I have provided additional funding for talking therapy that is easy to access and free to those who need it most. I would encourage anyone who feels that they could benefit from this initiative to register with My Mind. Gurv Mila Mahaguif.